this is another effect, and it's called CC Radial ScaleWipe. And what this allows you to do is to kind of scale and create this radial circle that's in wherever you want it on your layer. And I'm going to show you a cool kind of trick, or not trick, but a technique you could use if you were trying to look at an underlying layer with this effect. So we can use the completion to scroll up and see that we can go to what's underneath. So we've got that to say CC Twister. One thing we could do, so let's say we want to take this to about 40%, kind of center in the screen. If we wanted to do that with the words, we could. But I want to show you if I were to bring in an image. Let's go back here. I've got this camera lens. I'm going to drop it right underneath. We've got this camera lens, so I can change the scale of it a little farther down. Maybe we want to move it over just a little bit. And we want to open up this footage that we have to see this camera lens. So we could go up to our skiing layer and hit F3 to go to our effect controls. We're going to set a completion layer of 40% about right here, and then we're going to go back on that completion of, for the radial scale wipe effect, and we're going to go to 0. So if I click on this actually should be 40. We're going to change that to 0 because we've got it going up higher. So if I scroll through here, it opens up to that camera. Like I said, you could also put text underneath here, but looks like maybe we need to move this over a little bit to kind of center it. Now if we play it back, we can see that it radial scale wipes into that, and it blends everything else around that. So let's go back to our project. Let's go into here and watch it again. So we can see how it scales up and goes to that camera layer. Now that's not really practical for what we're trying to do here, but I wanted to show you how you can use an effect to go something underneath. And that would be cool if you could take some text and then add it in here to say skiing, or put something else underneath to make it applicable to whatever you're trying to accomplish in this text layer. So in the next video, which is the last in this section for now, unless I add more later in the future, is going to be 2 effects, and I'm just going to cover both of those in one video. So I'll see you in that one.